Have you ever thought about how a minor cut can turn deadly without proper prevention? Sepsis is a condition in which the body responds excessively to an infection, especially in patients with weakened immune systems, post-surgical wounds, or open injuries. According to the WHO, sepsis accounted for about 23% of global mortality. Many sepsis survivors experience new or worsened health issues for months to years after hospital discharge. Sepsis is often caused by a lipopolysaccharide, LPS, a potent endotoxin found in the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria, entering the bloodstream via open wounds and contaminated medical devices. This endotoxin enables immune evasion and is capable of causing lethal shock. You may think that sterilization can completely eliminate endotoxin from the gloves. The answer is no. Sterilization is unable to eliminate endotoxins. Endotoxins are extremely heat-stable and resistant to sterilization processes. At iNtouch, we understand that every pair of surgical gloves holds the power to save lives. iNtouch offers low endotoxin and non-pyrogenic surgical gloves in compliance with EN 455-3 standards. At iNtouch, safety is built into every step of our surgical glove manufacturing process. The bioburden control begins before production starts. Cleanliness is carefully monitored through regular swab tests on equipment, work surfaces, and even workers' attire. As our surgical gloves are packed in a controlled environment, the air is consistently monitored for living microorganisms and particles. Before it reaches your hands, the iNtouch surgical glove is packed, sterilized, and undergoes final endotoxin testing before every shipment. Make every procedure safer with iNtouch low endotoxin, non-pyrogenic surgical gloves. Your choice can change lives in an instant. iNtouch, designed to protect,